tiny kitchen, no counter space, no storage, and everything feels cramped. Today, I'll show you 10 smart kitchen gadgets that can completely change how a small kitchen works. These aren't gimmicks, they're practical, space-saving solutions people actually use every day. Let's start with the area where space disappears the fastest, the sink. If your sink is always full of dishes, this roll-up drying rack is a game changer. It sits directly over the sink, turning unused space into a drying and prep area. You can dry plates, cups, or even wash fruits and vegetables on it. When you're done, just roll it up and store it away. Knife blocks take up valuable counter space. This magnetic knife holder sticks directly to the wall using strong adhesive, no drilling needed. It keeps knives visible, organized, and easy to grab. Your counter instantly looks cleaner and more spacious. Traditional strainers are bulky and hard to store. These collapsible silicone colanders fold completely flat when not in use. You get multiple sizes for pasta, vegetables, and rinsing produce. They work like normal strainers, but take up a fraction of the space. Deep cabinets are one of the biggest problems in small kitchens. This pull-out cabinet organizer turns deep shelves into smooth sliding drawers. Everything comes out to you, so nothing gets lost in the back. It's adjustable and works in most cabinets. The space under the sink is often wasted because of pipes. This two-tier under-sink organizer is designed to work around plumbing. It adds vertical storage while keeping cleaning supplies easy to reach. No more clutter under the sink. If you need even more drying space, this standing over the sink rack is perfect. It expands to fit your sink and holds dishes, utensils, and cutting boards. Everything dries without touching your countertop. Ideal for kitchens with very limited counter space. Messy cabinets waste a lot of space. These airtight, stackable food containers store dry food vertically and neatly. Everything is easy to see and easy to access. They help reduce clutter and keep your kitchen organized. This wall-mounted folding table creates instant workspace. Use it for food prep, dining, or even as a small desk. When you're done, it folds flat against the wall. Perfect for tiny kitchens or studio apartments. Sometimes you just need extra storage. This slim rolling kitchen cart fits into narrow gaps between appliances or walls. It's great for spices, snacks, or small kitchen tools. You can roll it out when needed and slide it away when not. Stacked pans are noisy and frustrating. This vertical pan and lid organizer stores everything upright. You can grab exactly what you need without lifting heavy stacks. It works inside cabinets or on the countertop. If your kitchen feels too small, these gadgets can make a big difference. I've added links below so you can check prices and reviews on Amazon. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more smart kitchen ideas.